Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can set up your mailbox in the iPhone and how you can use that. So first, here you have many options. You can see that I will just go with Google. You can log in with any of these options. So just log in with your account, and here now you have this mail privacy protection where you can select the privacy because it's most important, and here you can also allow the notifications. And that's it, our account has been created. This is how easy to create account in the mailbox. Now here I will teach you how you can use that. So here first on the top you can research for any mail. Now if we go and if we research for LinkedIn, now here you can see all the LinkedIn emails. And similarly, let's try one more. Here if I write Google, now here you can see all the emails from Google. And similarly here if I swipe, now here you can see many options. Here you have this archive, flag and more option. So from here you can archive by simply clicking on this archive option, and you can see that our email has been archived. If you want to reply to any email later on, you can flag that. In that way you can see this flag option appear here, and it will remind you that you have to reply to this email. That's how you can flag and you can use that. Similarly here, even you will flag your email, you can go on the top and you can research here flag. And when you will do that, you can see here this flag email, and that's how you can flag and you can find your flag emails. Similarly here if I go and if I swipe, you can see here this more option, and here in the more option you can see here their move message, archive message, remind me, flag and all these options. Similarly if you want to delete, then simply you have to swipe and you can delete the email. Here not just you have to swipe and you have to click on delete option, and that's where your email will be deleted. And if you want to turn off the notification for some emails, you have to click on more, and here just you have to click on mute, and now you can see that the notifications are mute. If you don't want to receive emails, then the best thing is to go and unsubscribe that person. And there's also other way. If that person is not unsubscribing or you're facing any issue, then you can go to more, and here you can go to block sender. That's how you can block that and you will not receive any email from that person. And similarly here if you want to receive the notification from some email, you can go and you can click on more, and here you can click on notify me. Now you can see this notification option appear in the front of the email. Similarly, you can also see this flag block option as well. That's how it works. And if you swipe right, here you can see this reminder option where you can set a reminder. Like if you want to reply to any person after 1 day, you can set a reminder for that. And similarly, you can also write an email. Simply you have to click on this right option in the bottom, and here you have to write the person to whom you want to send the email and then the subject, and after the subject you can write here the body. After writing the whole email, you can simply click on this send option and you can send that. And here you also have this VIP where you can add different VIPs. Here you can select any from your contacts, and here you can also select any VIP alerts where you can select any specific tones for your VIP. And here you can also see the junks. You can see that we have junked that, and you can see here the drafts as well. And here you can also see the bin and all the emails. And here you also have these filters. If you see in the bottom, here you have these filters where you can apply different filters. If I go here, you can see that unread filter has been applied. You can go and you can select your flag as well, and you can see here the flag unread emails. You can see that, and here similarly you can also select only VIP and all these emails, and that's how these all the filters works. And now here you can also see this edit option in the top where you can select different emails. Here you can see that I'm selecting different emails, and similarly you can also move these emails. You can start these emails, and you can also mark these emails. You can move that to junk. And here you have also this archive option. You can apply all these options on all these emails at once. That was all about how you can use this mailbox in iPhone. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.